Hey guys, I got a really quick update for you, especially for those of you who are Binance users around the world and for those of you who are worried about the status of Ethereum. This video is for you. Before I get into it, I encourage you to hit the like button and hit subscribe because we put out videos every day, and Toby and I are really trying our best to keep you guys up to date on everything that is happening in the cryptocurrency space. Today, for example, it seems that Binance, everywhere they turn, there's doors slamming in their face around the world. In fact, now it seems that they have an all hands on deck meeting in Dubai. Not exactly sure what day or time that's going to happen, but a lot of people are speculating that this has to do with the recent actions from not only the SEC in the US, even though their allegations against Binance in the US seem to be unfounded completely. Also, France is accusing Binance of money laundering, and Netherlands has shut their doors to Binance, and the UK has also really quickly said no to Binance. Before this, of course, Canada blocked Binance and other countries as well. So this is a story Binance has been kind of having for the past 2 years at least, is basically governments around the world are very skeptical of them. Maybe they're too good, maybe they're too successful, they have too many users, it's too user friendly, and they're threatening different governments around the world's ability to have their own government issued cryptocurrency exchange that wouldn't be as good as Binance. Now, I remember years ago when CZ said that in the future he sees Binance being a decentralized exchange. Is this their opportunity to take this negative, take these lemons and turn it into lemonade? I, for one, would love to see Binance turn completely decentralized. Can that CEO use a DAO and help build tools that allow us and everyone around the world to access and transact and trade and do whatever we want with cryptocurrency in a more free manner? That would be great. Maybe then I'll be more heavily endorsing Binance, but at this time it's just a centralized exchange, and unfortunately it's running the gamut of governments around the world that are basically disproving it. Also, I want to talk about Ethereum. Now they're saying, there's a chart out there saying that there's more Ethereum staking, like locked staking, even though there's no lockup period anymore. There's more Ethereum staking than there are just kind of dormantly being held on centralized exchanges, which is great. That means there's more Ethereum being used to secure the Ethereum network than there are being used to line the pockets of those who run those centralized exchanges. But here's the thing, is that ever since, of course, Ethereum is proof of stake, most of these big time stakers for Ethereum are centralized exchanges. So it begs the question, is there a differential here, or is it just all these centralized exchanges actually staking this Ethereum and qualifying as that? Because obviously, if you're going to be holding your Ethereum on an exchange, might as well be staking it there and earning some percentage back as well on a yearly basis. On another note, Hong Kong is also issuing Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs to their citizens. Is this, I'm not going to say China, is this Hong Kong entering the game of cryptocurrency? Will this usher in a new wave of cryptocurrency investors? Because China, Hong Kong have both been kind of flip-flopping on their stance on cryptocurrencies. Now, mind you, issuing ETFs does not necessarily mean crypto-friendly. That term has been debated and has been defined by people in different ways. The US now having Fidelity, BlackRock, Wisdom Tree, Valkyrie, all these people applying for ETFs as well. And now we have the IMF and basically the chairman of the Federal Reserve all saying really positive things about cryptocurrency. At the very least, they're saying the bare minimum, that it has staying power as an asset class and it cannot be banned, and thus it should be regulated from the IMF. That doesn't exactly equate to being crypto friendly to me, but there are countries out there that see this as an opportunity and are doing their best to facilitate the growth of the cryptocurrency ecosystem within their jurisdiction, and money goes where it's treated best, as do people, or they should. So we're going to see cryptocurrencies developing in different countries at different rates, and I cannot wait to see how that top level of competition, country level competition, is going to play out for the survival of this space. So anyway, those are my 2 sats. If you guys enjoy this, hit the like button, hit subscribe. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye guys.